So this is the completed project. You can see on this side I have two 200-watt rich solar panels. So these are solar panels with the solar panel RV sticky feet, they're called. They're brackets like this. They're actually two pieces that came from the manufacturer with the VHB tape. So I put 6 on these solar panels and I'll give these a try. Well, this is how I'm going to mount the two 200-watt panels. I haven't put them down yet, but as you can see, I have 3 feet on each side. So hopefully this goes well. The only thing I don't like about it is this Winnebago roof is not the strongest. So I may have to screw them down. We'll see. Here's putting on that VHB tape primer again. And this part's going to be pretty boring, so I'll fast forward it. But you can see that, I don't know if the camera's capturing that little bit of purple hue that's coming through. Looks like I put way too much on that one, but I'll fast forward and go through all these so you're not too bored. The primer is on there, so it only takes a couple of minutes to dry. And when it's dry, I'll take the sticky tape off the VHB and set these panels down. Probably a lot easier with 2 hands or another body to help you, but going solo on this one. So this is the completed project. You can see on this side I have 2 200-watt rich solar panels. They're installed on the roof with VHB tape. There's no screws. This is just sealant here to keep the water off the VHB tape. So each panel has 3 feet on this side and 3 feet on the opposite side. I do have the original factory SunPower panels. They weren't at this location originally. They are also installed with VHB tape. Little different brackets. These are homemade brackets that I custom made with bolts coming through the bottom. And then if you look, this is my latest mod coming up. This is the wires for the Starlink. The Starlink, I had the original wires come up through the roof port. I have it wired here, and it has a cap, and it'll be mounted here shortly. So if you have any questions, let me know, and see you on the next video.